have slangy. Do you guys all know what slangy is? I brought a bunch of crunchy slangy. It's like a slimy, fidget toy type of a thing. I bought a whole bunch of it. I only got 2 of them right now, and then the couple of them is actually coming. Arriving, shipping soon. Once that comes in, I'm planning to do a ASMR for you guys. Let me show you guys. You don't know what slangy is? I'll show you. It's something really popular within kiddos these days. Let me show you guys. Well, I'm not trying to say I'm a kiddo, okay? Oh yeah, it's because you guys are old. Yes, this slangy is popular within kiddos. Huh? Yes, I'm a very, what do you call it? I'm a very... No, I don't want to call myself childish. Wait, I don't want to call myself a childish. Wait, I don't... But it's a slangy. Let me show you guys this. Slangy! There's another type like this. This is Sinon Nanoyo. This is not an ASMR microphone, so it might not really work, but let me show you guys. Do you guys hear it? It has very nice sound to it. I like this sound so much. And then I bought another one, but I think I failed it. This one doesn't have much sound. You hear it? You hear the difference? Okay, that sounded like fart. I did not fart! Okay, I did not fart! That's not me!